Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to make planet pizza. The ingredients will be dough, spinach, tomato sauce, black olives, mozzarella cheese, and ham. Make sure to preheat the oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Place the dough on some oven paper. Cut the dough into a circular shape. This will be our planet Saturn. Save the extra dough for later. You'll see why. Now spread some fried tomato on the dough. Remember to leave about 2 centimeters from the edge without any sauce. Sprinkle some cheese, some spinach, the ham, and the black olives. Just like that. Take the excess dough that was set aside earlier and roll it into a long, log-shaped form. Place it around and over the pizza, forming Saturn's ring. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until the pizza is golden brown and crispy. Enjoy!